Welcome to this Edison executive interview. I'm Sean Conroy, an analyst within the healthcare team. And today I'm joined by Francois Martelet, CEO of Oasmia. Pleasure to have you join us, Francois.
Morning, Sean.
So before we dive into discussing the rights issue you've just secured, please can you start by providing a high-level overview of Oasmia?
Yeah, certainly. So Oasmia is an oncology-focused specialty pharma company. We have, let's say, two lines of businesses. On one side, we have Apealea, which is paclitaxel micellar, that is currently being launched in Europe for late-stage ovarian cancer patients. So we do expect through our partner, Elevar / actually Inceptua Europe, to get the first royalties and milestones during the course of the year. At the same time, we have, on the other side, a growing late-stage portfolio consisting of two clinical programs, Cantrixil and Docetaxel micellar. We have this ambition to become a Nordic oncology powerhouse. And how would we achieve that? This is our strategy, which is a string of pearls strategy.
Congratulations on the rights issue you've just announced. I suppose maybe we should start there and start talking about the rationale behind this.
Yeah, certainly. So the right issue of 150 million SEK is aiming at strengthening our financial position over the course of the next 18 to 24 months in order to achieve our strategic goals, at least from a near and medium-term perspective. So this the use of proceeds will be basically to fund operations. That means, management, administration, marketing activities, business development activities, including in licensing opportunities as well. But even more importantly, the use of the funds will be for the development of our two clinical programs, Cantrixil and Docetaxel micellar. At the same time, the third pillar would be to improve our technology platform, our solubility enhancing platform called XR17, moving now to XR18. So fundamentally, we want to solidify our foundations and strengthening our balance sheet. So that's the purpose of this right issue. And again, this is not for M&A activities.
Excellent. And I suppose, can you comment on the specific timing of this rights issue and maybe provide a timeline of the key dates that we need to consider?
Right. So we are obviously aware that the biotech market in Sweden is rather weak at the present time. But however, we decided to do so in order, as I said earlier, to really strengthen our balance sheet. So the prospectus will be published early March, and there is a time frame of subscription ranging from the 8th of March until the 22nd of March. So we do hope to be able to end the subscription period by the 24th of March.
Excellent. And yeah, looking forward to seeing the prospectus in more detail. Which I suppose will give a flavour more clearly how exactly proceeds are going to be divvied up. So yeah, no, exciting to see. And then I suppose just finally to summarise, you proposed a name change as well for Vesto. So I mean, with this and the rights issue, can you just comment on where you feel this now puts the business in the ongoing transformation that you've been implementing since you joined the company?
Right. So two things. First, we want to create value to our shareholders through a number of things, and that will be the ultimate goals of our use of proceeds. So first, we will have the completion of the Docetaxel micellar run by SAC, the Swiss Cancer Research Group, hopefully by the end of this year. Two, the initiation of the Cantrixil phase 2, and hopefully within the 24-month time frame, we could potentially reach some interim results. Three, we have the preclinical studies with Cantrixil IV, because remember, Cantrixil is a small molecule used intraperitoneal for late-stage ovarian cancer. And therefore, obviously, the IV formulation is more convenient. And by the way, if we are able to develop an IV formulation, we can use it in some other indication, not only ovarian, but also mesothelioma, bladder. So we call actually Cantrixil a pipeline within a molecule. And then 4, in terms of expected achievements, there is this upgrading of our technology platform, moving, from XR17 to 18, improving a number of features of the platform. Now, with regard to the name change, Vivesto. So Vivesto means, Viv means life in Spanish, and esto means this. So this is life. So what we couldn't even think about a better name that, this is just life. When you work in oncology, you work for, extending the lives of your cancer patients, and therefore we thought that was a perfect name. That name was developed by the famous Brown Institute in London, and we got quite a number of very good ratings of this name towards our customers, physicians, patients as well. So that was an exciting exercise, actually.
Thank you, Francois. Pleasure to have you join us. Looking forward to following the story over the next year.
Thank you, Sean. Absolutely. Thank you very much.